Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to sell Bitcoin on Trust Wallet step by step. So let's get started. So first off, you just have to open your Trust Wallet application, and as you can see in my interface, you should just click sell button, and once you are in here you could see the Bitcoin. So you just have to click that, and as you can see you could sell which amount or how much amount that you could sell in your Bitcoin on your Trust Wallet. The alternative way to sell your Bitcoin is you just have to use swap. So for example, you should just click from swap to Bitcoin, as you can see, for example, just like that, and you just have to swap it with any crypto of your choice, as you can see in here. And once that's done, you should click continue, and that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope my video is helpful, and see you in the next one.